When you want to install an aftermarket amplifier into a vehicle, you need a way to convert the speaker level output to RCA line level outputs. That way you can provide musical signal to your aftermarket amplifier. I'm Mark from the YouTube channel Car Audio Fabrication, and I'm here today on behalf of AudioControl to show you why you need the LC7i. The AudioControl LC7i is a 6-channel line output converter that not only performs the signal conversion, but also has a ton of other powerful features. First off, why 6 channels? Many factory premium audio systems may feature separate mid-range speakers, tweeters, and factory subwoofers. To use the signal from these systems for our new aftermarket amplifiers, we need to do what is called channel summing, which adds the signal from each of these speaker sources together for use on aftermarket amplifiers. Even if the stock audio system is more simple and only has a pair of front and rear speakers, by having multiple input channels, we can retain front and rear fade controls on our system. Installation of the LC7i is simple. The device only requires connection to the speaker wires of the vehicle at the speaker inputs and a 12-volt power wire source and ground. Note that there are 3 channel pairs for 6 channel inputs, and with an internal switch, we can tell the device to sum those channels or keep them separate. With the built-in GTO or Great Turn-On technology, the LC7i will power on when it detects a speaker signal from the audio system being turned on. Since the LC7i is an active line output converter, the outputs can be up to 8.5 volts. This means signal will be extremely strong and allows the aftermarket amplifiers to have their gain values set at a lower value, which means less obtrusive noise and more great audio. Each channel pair has level controls that allow for perfect level matching, and the channel 3 pair of outputs can also be adjusted independently with the sold separately ACR-1 Remote level control. Do you want the best bass possible? Many times the stock audio system will actually cut the bass from the signal as the volume is turned up to protect the inexpensive stock vehicle speakers. AudioControl's AccuBASS technology is built in and restores this bass for optimal low frequency performance. Now don't forget, if you're looking for a new amplifier, all the technology within the AudioControl line output converters is also built into the AudioControl amplifiers for ease of system design. Next time you need to convert the audio signal from your factory system to RCA line level outputs for up to 6 channels and restore factory bass, definitely consider the LC7i. For a more advanced video about the LC7i, you can check out the video here on screen. On behalf of AudioControl, thank you for watching.